Hi, my name is Jose Perez. I'm a Senior VP of Business Development for homegenius. We're a radiant company, and we are creating an ecosystem of technology, services, and relationships that is dramatically changing our industry. When you come to the experience room at the T3 Tech Summit, you're going to get a very immersive experience that's going to give you a sense for what you can do with a pricing estimate and how you can do it better with our tool. For example, computer vision, which is our artificial intelligence that predicts the interior condition of the room. You could literally take a photograph and put it into our system and get the condition of that property, same way that we're doing it inside of our tool. We'll also have an area where you can go in and you can plug in addresses and then do your own genius price to just see how easy it is, how intuitive it is. So you're going to walk out of there with a whole different appreciation of how you approach pricing estimates and how you could use it to generate more business than you currently can with whatever tools you're using today. I'm Jose Perez with homegenius, and I invite you to join us at the T3 Tech Summit.